Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: Cemu 1, 25 or newer, your valid Botw game image, and Amiibo. Bin files. Place each Amiibo file in Cemu's Amiibo directory so the emulator can read them. Next, set up your controller input and confirm button mappings. This prevents missed prompts during the in-game scan. Once done, enable the NFC or Amiibo plugin in Cemu's settings and restart the emulator so it picks up the new files and controller configuration. Now, launch Breath of the Wild and navigate to the Amiibo menu via the Shake a Sensor or appropriate in-game option. In Cemu, open the Amiibo interface, select the specific bin file you want, and hit Emulate so Cemu presents the NFC data to the game. Make sure you press the controller button you previously mapped for Amiibo scans when the in-game prompt appears. Doing so tells the game to read the emulated tag. This sequence ensures the game accepts the virtual Amiibo reliably. After a successful scan, you should see the Amiibo reward animation and find items in your inventory or mounts at stables. Check both places immediately. If nothing happens, first reselect the bin file and try the emulate action again, then press the mapped controller button. Sometimes a quick restart of the emulation session clears the issue. If the problem persists, make sure Cemu and the Amiibo plugin are up to date, because version mismatches commonly cause NFC failures. Update and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.